Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use KlipZi Press to create a short lead magnet, and I'm going to do it based on KlipZi Press. So I'm going to write what is KlipZi Press, and we'll create project. Now first step is to choose your design. So there's various designs here. You can choose different fonts. So I'm going to go for magazine and then choose the design that you'd like. I'm just going to go with the first one for now, and this is where you can get to design your cover. So I'm just going to type into the prompt and then I'm going to hit generate cover. So while that's generating, I'm going to add in some extras. And here you can adjust, so we can have author at the top, bottom, so I think I'm going to have it below, and then I'm going to move that up, just tweak this slightly, and I'm going to have that. That's pretty cool. That'll do, and then I'm going to go into start writing. Now at this point you can draft with AI. You can tell AI what you want the book to be about and it can draft the whole book. You can paste in some text, so you can just start writing. You can upload PDFs, documents, and it will read those, or you can actually use a YouTube transcript. So for now I'm going to do uploads because I've got a document that sort of boring, but it tells the AI all about KlipZi Press. It's pretty much a bog standard boring document, but it's going to give the AI something to go on. So I'm going to upload that file, and it's basically going to start to write the book for me. So I can then go in and edit these sections. I can rewrite, I can add headings, I can delete, I can edit. And if I hit pages, you can see it in pages view, so you can kind of see, alright, so that's all the pages. And then if you go to preview and publish, you can actually go in and proof it. And then once you're happy, obviously you can go in and edit it, make it look nice, but you can then go to export as PDF and you're done. So with just a few clicks and the help of AI, you can create ebooks, documents, KDP books that you can sell and make money. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.